pipeline right there. New ride here at SeaWorld. And we're parked right here up front. And then we're gonna go ahead and bring it to you guys. I'm gonna do everything I possibly can to get a POV on this ride, the pipeline. It is a new roller coaster here in the state of Florida, here at SeaWorld. It is the first standing roller coaster, and I'm gonna bring it to you guys right here, POV style. Cannot wait. Again, glad to share this with you right here at Wykoffs Adventures on YouTube, Facebook, and website wykoffsadventures.com. God bless you guys. We'll see you. Are you guys ready to hit the pipeline here at SeaWorld?
It's open.
Let's go.
Right? Isn't that what surfers do? Yeah.
They're all high and mighty. The pipeline. Guys, we are in there like swimwear. Let's ride. Let's go. Hope you guys are ready. We are strapped in. We are strapped in, guys. Let's go. We are actually standing up on the ride, guys. We are standing up straight.
It feels weird.
Yeah, look. Wee-hee. We can go up and down. We can go all around. And we're about to go. You hear me? Let's take it to another world. Let's go. Let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go. Come on. Come on. Hit it, baby. Ha! Oh shit! Oh man! Holy smoke! Oh shit! Holy cow! Oh! 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 Oh man! Yeah! Here we go! Yeehaw! Woo-hoo! Woo-hoo! That's what I'm talking about. Holy cow!
My God.
I went like this. I went like this. I was like, yee-hoo! I was like, oh man! Holy cow! Holy smokes! Can I say? Yeah, that was fun. Yeah, a couple times. So how did you guys like that? That's what I'm talking about. That is intense all the way. Right here on Pipeline here in Orlando, Florida at SeaWorld 2023 on the Pipeline. Let's go. You good? Holy cow, holy cow. What experience that was. And I don't see my face.
We'll be on there.
There it is.
Put his hand right over
Oh man. Woo. And this is all the stuff right here where you can buy stuff and get all your goodies right here. Get all your goodies right here. Oh, right here, nice little Pipeline hat. What's the price on it? Looks like 32. 32, nice, nice. Pipeline, there we go, there we go. I don't know the code. But I'll tell you guys, holy smokes. Need to get my hat, my glasses. But guys, see you real soon. Thanks for riding the Pipeline. Peace.